Besides importing the CSS, we can also write the inline CSS. For example, instead of using the outer div class, we can also change it to the inline style. So here we can change to style. And also remember, this is JSX, not CSS, so there are some rules that we have to remind. First, if the CSS have a dash in between, we have to change it to delete the dash and capitalize the next character. And also the value, we have to add a single quote because this is JSON objects. And also the semicolon will become a comma. So because we are going to use the JSON object, so we have to make the bracket here. And also we have to copy the CSS and then we paste here. This value we have to add a single quote and the semicolon will become comma, and we have to delete this one and change to capitalize, and the rect will become a string. Also we have to delete the semicolon. Let's try to change to the color to the blue. And as you can see, it also can change the CSS by using the inline style.